Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the Nash House. As I put out the broadcast yesterday, it's pasta week. I'm so excited. Oh my God. So I thought for pasta week, and it's Monday, why not start it out with meaty Mondays? Oh my God. You guys got to check it out. Watch this. So for Meaty Mondays, let's make Mostaccioli. That's right. Oh my God. And here's the ingredients that you will need. Alright, so now we're in prep mode. In a large pot, you want to fill it with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a drop of olive oil to bring it to a boil. While we're waiting on that to boil, we're going to dice up our green bell pepper and white onion so we can sweat them in the skillet with olive oil. Once you sweat them, they should resemble this. You want to put them in a separate bowl so you can start to brown your ground meat on medium high and mix around so it can cook evenly. Once it's done, we want to drain the grease out and place it back in the skillet so we can cover it in spaghetti sauce. Now once your pasta is done, you want to drain it, but do not rinse. And let's start combining this easy, delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and welcome to the Nash House. Be on the lookout for tomorrow for Pasta Week, what we might have next. See you soon.